piglets in there. I don't want to go in with the food. I can't believe that. I wouldn't sniff in there. Placenta is not Sunday breakfast. Good morning. Welcome back to the farm. And, well, got some new arrivals to share with you. But we're also going down for the first time to see actually how many are still with us. So far, we know that Miss Honey had 15 piglets. 14 were alive when first came down. I came down at midnight. There was about 1 or 2 which looked either a little bit weak or like she might have rolled on them. So I'll show you what we're dealing with. Hopefully it's not too much of a distressing scene. You stay there. Really slowly. Slowly. Oh, she's just so clumsy. Let's do some counting. So I doubled up heat lamps, so unless it's been buried in the straw, there's nothing over there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Amazing. So we know that a couple of these have been trod on, but can't see. This is the one that was really dopey last night. The one with hardly any black on it. She hasn't cleared up her afterbirth, so I'll move that out of the way. So while I thought we had it sorted, brought them in this pen, and I thought, you know, this is fine. We've got a little drainage channel here. They'll bed up over here. I can put a rail against the wall. Within minutes of them coming in, all the bedding was dragged into this drainage channel, and whatever I did, that's what they were going to do. So I couldn't fight it anymore. So I've just been trying to change the bedding really regularly, because as soon as a bucket spills or one of them wheeze, this gets saturated. So it's been really frustrating, but the problem with that is, there's a curb, there's this, I don't know, whatever that is, 150mm step here, which is where the cows used to be, up on cubicles, and she insists on lying down against that, and that's where she would crush to. And unless I was to let all the bedding fill up, it's not really anything I can do right now. So a few more hours, these guys should learn and they'll be quicker, and it shouldn't happen as much. Fingers crossed we can get our lucky 13 all the way through. And they seem okay. We should probably do a girl and boy count, shouldn't we? Get right. Well, the 2 we lost were girls, that's a girl. No, this isn't gonna happen, is it? Can I have your food? They're still alright. They're all okay. Have your breakfast. Go on, shoot. Get under there. Go and warm up. Little Duracell batteries. So with 13, she should be fine to feed them. She's a big girl. She's got 14 teats. If we needed to, I think Matilda's a couple of days off still, but Lavender, haven't even checked. She could have varied last night. If not, she's imminent. We could always foster a couple on because she won't have a huge litter, but she always has a lot of milk. As a reminder, this is her second litter, Miss Honey. She had 8 in her first litter out in the ark. She managed to crush 4, not 5. I can't quite remember because we removed her piglets, put them on Matilda for a day or 2. But in the end, she kind of came back around again. She was okay. That's why we were it was all down to how this litter went, whether she was a long-term resident or not. And she's done okay. She's clumsy. She doesn't listen for their squeals. So if she goes to lie on one and one squeals, she does absolutely nothing. Which is how last night's ones, we could hear the squeals up in the house on the screen, and by the time I came down 30 seconds later, it was too late. Obviously, if you're thinking about something that's 200 kilo versus something that's maybe 100th of the size, there's only one winner, especially if there's any edge or ledge. If anything, all these things just lead us to making a better system in the future. Once all these walls are knocked out and this is just a big open space, we can just have a real modular setup, so we can put pens and gates wherever we want, and always have it nicely set up, flat floor, with obvious nesting areas, which they'll hopefully favour. Right, you've eaten all that food. The good news for you, Miss Honey, is you get extra helpings now. But you need water, because you destroyed your water last night. Yeah. If you can, I don't know if you can see through there, but while she looks huge, Matilda hasn't filled up. Her bags are not particularly milky, so she's still days off. We'll go and have a look at Lavender now. Hello, dog. You got some piglets to chase in a few weeks' time. I wouldn't sniff in there. Placenta is not Sunday breakfast. Let's go and have a quick look at Lavender. Actually, we better take her some breakfast, otherwise she won't be happy. Now Lavender, we thought was going to be a week or 2 behind the others, so I put her in the stable where the chickens have been. So it's on chicken bedding, which is fine because it means she gets through and clears up any spilt feed. So she's got loads of bedding, which is not ideal because the more bedding, the less they can feel where the piglets are. So if they are a good mum, they should be able to feel where they are and be really tentative around them, which is quite hard if there's a big deep litter. But she built a huge volcano looking nest and she's a really good mum, so I don't think she's ever lost one from crushing. Before I get carried away with piglets, stick around later in the video and I'll share the update on lambing, because we had them scanned yesterday. There's piglets in there. I don't want to go in with the food. I can't believe that. She's so stealthy. Oh, there's a dead one over there. How did we do? That's some clever pigleting. Let me come and give you a breakfast. Here we go. Here we go, clever girl. Right. So 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's just all afterbirth. There's a little sad little sausage here. It's a good size. It's obviously just been against the corner, I think. It's a shame. Four girls, I think. Right, if my camera battery allows, I'll explain the lambing situation. So we had 25 ewes this year to scan. I was a bit concerned because our hay, we were using up our own. Our hay's been doing no favours in helping any of the livestock keep condition. So this week I bought some good hay from somewhere else, and it's amazing how much more they prefer it. Anyway, sorted all the ewes and lambs out because they've been together. So this is just our ewes, hopefully pregnant ewes, and we'll bring them in and then see what the scanning says. Come on! Not even sure how many there are. 24, I think. Come on! Sorry, it's a dummy bag as well. They're gonna be mad at me. Right, these ones new. These are some of the wild ones I bought at the market. Back you go. Come on. Okay. It's that one. She's terrible. Go on. Go on. One. Three. 25, 16 doubles, twins, so that's good. 1 triplet, which we didn't have last year. 3 empty. One of those is a brand new one. I'll have to check. We've marked them up, so I'll see who's empty and see if we make a decision on whether they get retired or not. But there we go. That's the total, so it's 160%, which is not great, but it's okay. At least the ram works. Got to pull it harder, Rosa, as you're cutting. That's good, Face. Make sure it doesn't slip too much. Pull harder, Rosa.
I'm nearly there. Oh, I'm nearly there too. How are you doing that? I think it's making it longer.
What are you? Yeah, you are. You're just giving it a tickle there, Rosa.
Wait.
Hold it closer. Hold it a bit further up. How's it going? Oh yeah, that's good. Longer strokes with your arms. That's it, like you're punching.
Oh, wow. So warm mine is.
Keep going. Keep going. Did it go? Well done. Go on, let's cheer Rosa on. Keep going.